In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to stop Google Chrome notification on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To stop Google Chrome notification, go to your Google Chrome browser and click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Then click on Settings. In left pane, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down. Click on Site Settings. Scroll down again. Here you will find notifications. Click on Notifications. Scroll down again. Here you will find the not allowed to send notification items, and here in my case Facebook ID is added here for not allowed notification, and then you will find allowed to send notification, and if you allow any website here, it will be allowed to send you notifications. In my case, youtube.com is allowed to send notification. If you want YouTube to deny send notification, click on three dot icon and then click on block. Now youtube.com is not allowed to send notifications and its link is added under not allowed to send notifications. And if you want to stop all notifications, you will find here an option don't allow sites to send notifications. Just select it. Now no sites will be allowed to send notification in my Google Chrome. This is the easiest way to stop Google Chrome notification on Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.